Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Neetika and I have come up with the update that the good stock which is paying the very good dividend in next week. So if you want to grab this opportunity, if you want to get these dividends, you have to buy this stock before X date. So I will tell you the X date and the amount of that dividend the company is paying. So the stocks are as follows. Number one, MGL. Yes, Mahanagar Gas Limited. And MGL has reported a very good result. Q3 results. This reported 62.3% Y on Y jump in revenue, and the net income increased by a 202.9% to 172 crores. So overall Q3 result was good, and the company is paying interim dividend of 10 rupees per share, which is very good. And the ex dividend date, please note the ex dividend date is 14th February. So you need to buy this stock before 14th February. February means you can buy this on 13 also. 13, yes, 13th. Number two is ITC Limited. Yes, FMCG giant ITC Limited has also posted a very good results, good Q3 results, and this company has shown the 23.4% Y on Y jump in net profit, and declared the interim dividend of 6 rupees per share. Yes, 6 rupees per share. ITC has declared the interim dividend, and the ex date for this dividend is 15th February. That means you need to buy this stock on means before 15th February, means you can buy it 14th or 13th any day. So before 15th February you need to buy this stock for dividend, and 15th February is ex dividend date. And now number three, FSL. Yes, First Source Solution Limited, which is a small cap IT company with the market cap of only 8,166 crore. And company has posted its Q3 results also on a 7.06% Y on Y revenue jump in December Q3, and the net profit by 16.5% jump, and it has become now 157.91 crores. Company has declared the interim dividend of 3.5 per share. 3.5 per share dividend for the from the FSL, and the ex date is 17th February. That means you need to buy this stock before 17. You can buy it on 13, 14, 15, any days. 16th also. These three stock which is paying very good dividend in next week. You can keep these stock in your mind, in your radar for dividend if you want dividend from these company. So like the video if you like the update, and keep watching and sharing also. Signing off.